Dawn. Dawn Stebbing raises the bar for women in direct sales to power up their profits with clarity, confidence, and style. She helps her clients improve communication and sales skills, along with leadership skills to grow and scale a highly profitable lifestyle business. As a direct sales coach, certified image consultant, and past president of the Association of Image Consulting International, Dawn pairs her extensive business and leadership experience with a unique understanding of human behavior, which she gained through formal training and, get this, 40 years of direct sales experience. Please help me welcome Dawn Stebbing.
Thank you, Nancy. As small business owners and speakers, none of us could survive without customers and sales. Wouldn't you agree? Yes. Out of curiosity, how many of you are currently selling a product through direct sales as an additional income stream with your speaking business? Awesome. I hear women who have been in direct sales or got into direct sales say things like, I just got into this business because I like the products and I get a discount. Well, that's great. Or I don't want to sell. I'm not a salesperson. Or they might say, I just want to make some extra money so I can take my kids to Disney World or add to their college fund. Or better yet, I don't want to be like her. Whatever the story, I often hear these comments. I'm Dawn Stebbing, and I'm a direct sales coach and an image consultant who helps women reach their top potential in the direct sales business and stay there. So I want to share a story with you. My neighbor and I take walks at least 3 to 4 times a week. And one of these days that we were taking a walk, she had fainted on me. And of course I was scared. I'm going, oh my God, I had thought she had died. And I'm freaking out. I called her husband come pick her up and take her to the hospital and get her checked out, because this wasn't her first incident, but it was the first time she had fainted on me. Since she's had COVID, she hasn't been herself. So let's fast forward to today, to now. We're on one of our walks and I can barely keep up with her. Before, she could barely keep up with me. And I'm going, what the heck is going on here? So I go, what got into you today? And she tells me she's been using these Juice Plus products and she's been noticing a huge difference in her health, in herself. She gets up earlier. She has all this energy. She's been exercising and eating better. Then all of a sudden she puts this barrier up and says, but I'm not selling these products. I'm just using them for my own use. I said, okay. Now, I've been on a few walks with her in this week. She continues to tell me that she's not selling these products, but she still wants to tell me her experiences with these products and how she's feeling. She says, I'm only gonna share these products if I see a fit for someone. And I thought, oh, okay. So then that comment stayed with me. And finally, on our next walk, I had to confront her about that statement. So I asked, why is it every time we go on these walks, you keep telling me all about these products and how great they are and how much you don't want to sell these, but you keep selling it to me? And she said, yeah, I do. I guess I am, aren't I? I said, but you sell every day in your current job at Neiman Marcus. However, you don't want to sell Juice Plus. Why? She said, I don't want to be like Rachel. Who's Rachel? Rachel's at the top of the company. She has been in this business for 23 years and she's really successful. And I don't want to be like her because I don't want to work that hard. And I go, so I put my little coaching hat on and I asked for her permission to coach her. First, I said, I would encourage you to stop saying you don't want to sell these products and change that to, I love sharing these products with people I see a fit for. Then I said to her, Why do you feel you need to compare yourself to Rachel? She's been in this business for years and you're just starting. Why can't you be you and share these products organically as you run into people? See, you have a compelling story, and that story is going to be your driver. And I'm a witness to how much you have changed in the past few months by using these products. Remember, I'm trying to catch up to you now, not the other way around. That's why I got into coaching women in direct sales, because it breaks my heart to see so many women not making or treating their business as a business. I'm on a mission to inspire women, empower women to break through the barriers that hold them back from growing and achieving success in their direct sales business. So today, I have a free gift for you, and it is my ebook, 7 Ways to Power Up Your Direct Sales for Profits. And in this ebook, it will walk you through everything you need to know to start your business or power up your business and start making the money you want to make. So check out the link below and download my free ebook. Thank you.